Hello friends, welcome to Communication Skills for Everyone. In this channel, you are going to learn English language skills, personality development, vocabulary, and all-round development.
Discuss about the women artist from Telangana. Generally, artist means the persons who are in good in singing, dancing, photography, acting, and painting, other skills. These days, women are getting into every field and they are getting good opportunities. The persons who are having the good skills are getting a unique opportunities and they are getting a chance to show their skills. In olden days, the women are restricted to stay at home, but nowadays they are getting opportunities and they are coming with a unique idea. Now I am going to discuss great artists. First one is Dia Mirza. She's an Indian model actress and she's well known in Hindi films. She is a good social worker and she is also a producer. She received an Miss Asia Pacific International in the year of 2000 and Miss India in the year of 2000. She also worked as an advocate for the United Nations SDGs and ambassador for the Wildlife Trusts of India. And she, she is very she gives very important speeches on the about the gender discrimination. And she tried to motivate the women uh, as as a part of her life. Her marriage is one of the most sustainable marriages in these situations of COVID-19, and to encourage the women as a priest. In the fields of priest to chant the mantras in her marriage, she called an woman priest chant the mantras in her marriage. Like women are in every field and women requires every they can also do every. Next, coming to next one, Susmita Sen. She's also an actress and a social worker. She always encourages women. She adopted a baby girl in the year of 2000 and another girl in the year of 2010. She received the most prestigious, one of the most prestigious award, national award for the social welfare and women empowerment. She also the Miss India 1994 at the age of 18 and Miss Universe at the age of 18. And she also received the award for encouraging the women and like as champions of the change award in 2021. Women are getting an equal opportunities with the men. So utilizing these opportunities and getting better is a good task. In every field and every aspects, they are getting equal chances.